Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieve a wash and go using one product. So I'm starting off with some warm to hot water in a spray bottle and my Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So I'm starting off on freshly washed, detangled, and sectioned hair. I have a total of 12 braids, 6 in the back and 6 in the front. Here I'm taking a banana clip to clip the 5 braids out of the way as I work on the first section in the back. Here I'm undoing the first braid in order for me to apply the water and the gel to this section of the hair. Here I am finger parting the section of the first section in order to apply the water and the gel. Now I'm taking my spray bottle, being sure to wet my hair very thoroughly. So here I'm taking my Uncle Funky's Daughter gel and taking one pump of it and putting it into my hand and thoroughly raking the product through, making sure to coat every strand. So now I am taking my Dr. Miracle serum, pouring it into my hand, and thoroughly massaging it into my scalp. So again, I'm taking a section of the section in the front, applying my water from the spray bottle, and applying one pump of the Uncle Funky's Daughter gel to the section. Being sure to use the finger raking method. So now on to the last and final section of my hair. Here I am taking more time to rake the product through the front of my hair because that's where my curls tend to be looser. So this is how the front and the side parts of my hair are looking. And this is the back part of my hair. I'm going to allow my hair to air dry to show the final result. Hey everyone. everyone, so this is the results of the technique that I just showed in the previous clip, and this is what my hair is looking like on the 4th day. This is 4th day hair for me. 4th day hair. This is what I'm working with, and this is the final product. So if you enjoyed this video or if you learned something new, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the journey. Peace.